Ather Energy is a startup building India's first smart electric scooter, the S340. Ather is focused on building technology for the future that is inevitably electric and seamlessly connected. Ather Energy was looking for the best infrastructure model and skill sets to manage its SAP S/4HANA infrastructure. Ather wanted a single independent cloud managed service provider which delivers performance with cost effectiveness. ESDS and eNlight Cloud proved to be the best match for Ather Energy. What were Ather's reasons to choose a commercial data center cloud solution for hosting S/4HANA ERP system?
So we are a startup, okay, and being a startup, there are multiple challenges when you start up, when you do a startup. Okay, so we have a vision, so thus we have chosen to go with HANA right from day one. Okay, but now looking into the skill sets which is available in-house, it is not possible to manage and maintain it in-house. So we were looking for a partner who can help us to put up the data center, to manage the infrastructure there, can to manage the SAP as well. So when we were looking for that, so we have done through Microsoft, we have done through AWS, and then ESDS. And we found very much comfortable working with ESDS as they gave me the confidence that that they will be putting up the infrastructure as well as maintaining my infrastructure and its security. Plus, they will maintain the SAP for HANA, which I was not getting anywhere else. And this is why we have chosen ESDS.
Initially, you chose AWS hosting for SAP. What were your reasons to move out?
Yeah, so there are two big reasons for choosing you. One is the cost. So whenever we do with AWS, so whenever we expand, the cost goes like 2x because there is no there is always a vertical provisioning which is in the sizes of x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. So the cost with every increase becomes twice. And in case of ESDS, we have a flexibility where in case if we need some kind of RAM to be increased or some kind of CPU to be increased, we can choose to increase it in that manner. And thus we have chosen ESDS, which has turned out to be very economic to us. And the second reason is to maintain it. Okay, like in case we go to Amazon, we were like one partner to maintain the Amazon cloud, then one partner to manage the security and the DevOps part, and the third partner we needed to maintain the SAP. So whenever the problem comes, we have to reach to from one partner to the second partner, can the blame game starts. And when we are with ESDS, we have only one person to get touch with, and then he is a guy who needs to actually resolve every problem.
What were the top 5 things that you liked about ESDS and its solutions for hosting S/4HANA ERP system?
So basically, ESDS has an in-house capability where they can manage a cloud in terms of cloud as a VM, and then we have HANA TDI boxes which they maintain and manage themselves. So my worry of maintaining the platform goes away. Maintenance of the SAP. So SAP resources are not common in the market, and if you get it at a very dear price. Okay, so from that perspective, if you see, the first thing is the personal touch. In case of the global cloud providers, you don't get a personal touch. Okay, you are just left alone in the cloud, and then you have to find your own way there. So in case of ESDS, we have people to whom we can speak to, the people who can assure us, okay, your infrastructure, your services will be up and running. So one thing is the single point of contact. Okay, so where you can just leave your worries for a single person. You have to just pick up the phone, call one guy, and your issue is being resolved. Security. So for putting up an enterprise data on a cloud is always a worry. So ESDS with its multiple certifications on cloud and their security team being there in place, full functioning SOC being there, help us to gain a confidence that my data is safe and secure. the pricing, of course. So the pricing are very competitive in the market, and yeah, they are flexible to work on the pricing and can give us the best of the pricing in the market, which is very competitive in nature. The last thing is the expertise on SAP, of course. They have multiple customers, and before deciding on KSDS, we have spoken to multiple customers which are already there on KSDS cloud, having SAP and HANA being there. And yeah, they gave me the confidence that yes, KSDS is the right choice to go on with it.
How has your experience been with ESDS in the journey so far?
Yes, so far it was a awesome journey.
What are the top 5 differences you have experienced between ESDS eNlight Cloud Hosting versus cloud-based solution from AWS, Azure, or other Indian cloud service providers?
Yeah, so the first thing is the vertical scaling. Okay, none of the cloud providers as of now give you a vertical scaling. So, for instance, you have only one 28, 256, and likewise in the 2x kind of thing. Whereas we get a flexibility that if we want to go from 128 to say 156 GB or like 192 GB, we are flexible to get it from there. And yes, so this gives us comfort if we are falling short somewhere. So just by putting up some extra money, you can your needs can be fulfilled. So without having to scale your infrastructure by 2x. So this is the one most important point. Second thing is the single point of contact, where you do not have to run from vendor to vendor for any of the issues.
Correct.
The third thing is your security posture, of course, which we get the confidence that you are that they have a SOC team being there to monitor and analyze the databases and any kind of threat which is being posed to your enterprise data. So that is the fourth thing. The last thing is the maintenance of the SAP HANA. And with that, we actually found that yeah, it makes sense for us to go with the KSDS like company, who are the new age company, giving you a single stop shop for your HANA needs, right from infrastructure till your management services.